Are you getting more results from your small business accounting that help you to scale your growth? In this video, you are going to learn how to get more results out of your small business accounting that will increase your growth. My name is Taisha. If you want the best tips, tricks, and strategies to enhance your profitability and growth and pay your tax with a smile, then be sure to hit the subscribe button and tick the bell to be notified so you don't miss any of our videos. Let's dive into the matter of the day: how to get more results out of your small business accounting that increase your growth. Number one point is keep your books updated. Ensure your books are updated. Having well organized books is a must for any business. It allows easy planning and financial forecasting for your business. Well organized books are essential for gaining valuable insights into your business. These insights and ideas are generated from actionable data from bookkeeping. The major reason why several businesses perform poorly is lack of maintenance of their book of accounts. There are several benefits of keeping your books of account up to date, and they are: helps you stick to your business budgets, helps you get a forecast of realistic financial projections, avoid stress and scrambling for accurate information during the tax season, allows you to be prepared for emergencies. It enables you to avoid mistakes and errors. And lastly, it becomes easier to comply with the demands of the law. Number two, record and track every business expense. It is very important to record and track expenses like professional fees, direct labor costs, office supplies, travel, and utilities. Make sure you use dedicated business bank accounts, record of expenses, and of course, digitize all your receipts. Expenses are of various types. We have fixed costs or expenses, we have variable costs or expenses, then we have one that are periodical, and of course interest, then depreciation. The recording and tracking of expenses can be useful in the following ways. One, it is really important for maintaining healthy cash flow. Number two, it helps you figure out expenses that qualify for tax deductions. Helps gauge how well your business is doing. Then helps gain insight into specific expenses and cash flow. And lastly, helps categorize expenses. Then number three things that you need to do to get more results out of your small business accounting that increase your growth is avoid do-it-yourself accounting. Do-it-yourself based accounting for small businesses can be dangerous for the financial health and well-being of your business. If you are doing do-it-yourself accounting, though some will say it's best for them, but then it's dangerous for the financial health and well-being of your business. In certain aspects of business, like accounting, it pays to outsource the functions and processes to a certified expert. You do not want to waste all your time and energy on basic accounting for small businesses when you have 10 other things to focus on as a business owner. Hiring a business accountant and avoiding the dangers of do-it-yourself accounting records can help a business owner in these ways. Number one, reduce major accounting errors. Two, accounts will be up to date and in place. Three, get to know areas for growth and cost cutting. Four, avoid more work at the time of the income tax deadline. Number five, able to attend more pressing matters and able to plan for the future. The number four thing that you need to do in order to get more results out of your small business accounting that increase growth is keep an eye on accounts receivable. Keep an eye on account receivables. The survival and performance of your company rely heavily on your accounts receivable. To keep the cash flowing, you need to reach out to your clients to make sure they are making payments on time. You need to reach out to either your clients or customers to make sure they are making payments on time. In order to be able to receive payments on time, you need a solid internal structure and establish an effective invoicing system. A good invoicing system will help you track, maintain, and receive regular notifications regarding pending payments. Keeping a check on your account receivable will help owners in these ways. Number one, be sure that they are getting paid on time. That is, small business owners will be sure that they are getting paid on time. Two, helps you plan ahead. You are able to plan ahead. Three, keep your cash flow stable. And four, helps you operate your business smoothly. The number five thing that you need to do in order to ensure that you are getting more results out of your small business accounting that increase growth is create a budget. Create a budget. Creating a budget should be one of the primary steps for small business owners. It involves generating projected revenue and expenditure. The budget will help you create a benchmark, a standard for what you need to work on. Small businesses that have a specific budget are able to achieve the following results. Allocate appropriate resources, improves the decision making, meet specific business objectives, monitor performance, and in fact, they are able to plan for the future. Hopefully, you got some value from this video. And if you did, go ahead, give me a thumb up. Also drop me a comment below to let me know your takeaway, what you have taken away, and what you intend to do with it. Please go and watch our video, how to run your small business accounting. And also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell so that you can always be informed of our videos. Until I come your way again, God bless.